While the concept of making someone dangerous can be subjective and context dependent, qualities such as knowledge, discipline, confidence, adaptability, and effective communication skills are often considered valuable attributes that can empower individuals in various situations. It's important to channel these qualities positively and ethically. Number 1. Constantly creating solutions. Listen to me very carefully on this one. Never complain. Too many people constantly complaining. Don't be like them. Be different. Abandon the victim mindset and adopt the growth ones. It will take you far in life. Number 2. Have a workout routine. This is straightforward as it gets. If you want to be a dangerous person with full potentials, then you should start workout. It's non-negotiable. You should start doing this to be ahead of your peers who are yet not taking advantage of this. Don't give a fuck. The little pretty much says it all, but I will reiterate just in case you might have missed it. Number 3, don't give a fuck, especially about people's opinions and external validations. This is how you become unstoppable. Work on your life's mission. Have zero regards on what they are saying or gossiping about you. Number 4, always mean it. Yeah, you should always do what you said you were going to do, especially when it comes in accomplishing your goals. Be a monster when it comes to execution. Execute your goals fearless. Take an answer for no one. We are in a generation where people don't like to pay the price for greatness. They all want instant results without doing the work. Number 5, control your actions and reactions. I have said it before and I will say this again here that a person who has mastered self-control is simply unstoppable. He is priceless. We are living in a world where self-control is a lost art. Everyone got temper, emotions every time. You need to master the art of self-control. Number 6, confront and avoid. There is no reciprocal agreement for confrontation. If the dangerous person confronts you, even if it is done improperly and mixed with abusive threats, you must receive it as a show of love to you. But if you confront them, even when done calmly, the dangerous person shuts down and is unwilling to receive any criticism. Then they accuse of you being harsh and unloving.